warm welcome to your favorite program, Learn Twi with Opoku. Before we start, do you remember this song? Every day I go, now I am going. Yesterday I went, tomorrow I shall go. Already I have gone. Can we say that also in Twi? Let's try. Debiara me call, sisi me recall, enora me koi, ochina me sanko. Dada mako. That is simple present, present continuous, simple past, future, present perfect, and past perfect. Yes, in Twi we say DAAKYE KABEAIn, ENSIIÄ KABEA, TWAM KABEA, DAAKYE KABEA, and AYOSIE KABEA. Good. Let's try to explain a little bit further about these tenses. In English, when we talk of simple present, it talks about two events. That is an action or event that is taking place, or an action that takes place regularly. That is simple present. For instance, if you are listening to a football commentary, you might hear the commentator saying, he takes the ball, he moves. You see, these are all verbs in what? Simple present tense. And it is describing an action or event that is taking place right now. You see. And then also the simple present to describe an event or an action that takes place regularly. For example, we can say the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. You see, the sun rises, that is what? Simple present. And then sets, that is also what? Simple present. And because the sun rises and then also sets regularly, daily, then we can use the simple present tense to what? To describe that event. And then the present continuous tense. In Twi we say ENSIIÄ KABEA. Oh well, the present continuous tense also talks about an action that is currently taking place. For example, now I am speaking. Speaking is something that is going on right now and may go further into the future. That is the present continuous tense. In Twi we say ENSIIÄ KABEA. And then simple past. It talks about past events, something that has taken place in the past. And in Twi we say TWAM KABEA. TWAM KABEA. And then future tense. That one talks about something that is not happening now, but may take place in the near future. And that is DAAKYE KABEA. And then we have the present perfect and then the past perfect. The present perfect and then the past perfect, they all talk about events in the past. In Twi we call that one AYOSIE KABEA. And in English, whilst the present perfect is constructed with the auxiliary verbs have and has, plus an ordinary verb in the perspective. Example, I have seen the man. I have visited the widow. These are all in the present perfect tense. The past perfect is constructed with the auxiliary verb had, plus an ordinary verb in the perfective. Example, I had finished the work when he came. Yeah, so we know what present perfect and past perfect mean. In Twi also we have these tenses. Just that with the Twi, if we want to talk about past perfect, we precede the verb with what? Na. Na. We'll talk into detail when we get to the actual learning of the tenses in Twi. The question is, do you want to construct sentences or phrases in these tenses? That is simple present, present continuous, simple past, future, present perfect, or past perfect. Then join me in the subsequent videos whilst we learn how to construct sentences in all these forms of what? Tenses. Thank you.